Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in the Twin Cities. Today I'm going to talk about when it's feeling very overwhelming and tough to declutter. We're going to keep it simple by just doing something called a 10-10-10 rule. So you're going to give yourself a 10-minute timer. That's the first one. And then you are going to try to eliminate 10 items, whether that's to donate, to give to a friend, to recycle or shred or purge or even just trash. That is fine. And so then you're going to make those. The next is you're going to make 10 decisions. So of those items, you're going to decide where they're going to go. How do you want things that you're going to keep to be put away? And where are you going to go with those items? If you can keep it very simple, you can get a lot more done. And it's just a starting point. It gets those juices flowing and it gets you rolling into a decluttering mindset without being completely overwhelming and feeling completely consumed by your stuff. So give the 10-10-10 a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.